everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. I'm so excited. We have Chic Beauty Box today. This is a bi-monthly beauty subscription. It's $34.99. This is a customizable box. You get to fill out a profile. When you subscribe, you get 5 to 6 items every other month. I love that because, like, one, you save money. You're not spending that amount every single month. And then two, you get 2 months to use all your items and try them out, because I know from the past when I used to get a bunch of boxes, it was fun, but like things would pile up and wouldn't get much use. So you get to use the items in here, and they feature a lot of great brands. There'll be brands you know, also some indie brands. It's really awesome, a wide range of items, super fun. So we have this box here, and there's one item that came out of the box. I will link Chic Beauty Box down below. This is kindly sent to me free for review, but it's not sponsored or affiliated. So yeah, let's get started and let's open it up. I didn't even peek at what this was, but it looks like it's gonna be a palette. We'll open that last. Let's start with what's in the box. I hope all of you are doing well. For those that are new here, hi, I'm Kitty and I love subscription boxes. If you do too, please subscribe, and welcome back to everyone else. Love you, all of you. Okay, so we have a little card here, and let's see what it says in the back here. Ditch the conventional box of chocolates and rekindle your love affair with the Chic Beauty Box. This month, let us play Cupid and shower you with sweet treats that will sweep you off your feet. Capture the beauty of your box in a photo or video and share it on your go-to social media, and you'll get $20 credit in your account. It's not even like a contest. You'll get credit if you share their stuff. That's awesome. Ooh, I'm so excited about something I see. So I've always loved makeup, but the past year or so, I just didn't really use much. I think there was a few things like living somewhere super hot and like sweaty, and just like maybe not going out as much. I kind of like stopped, but recently I've been really getting into makeup again, having so much fun playing with makeup, different, like doing eyeshadow again and stuff. So I'm so excited, 'cause all my makeup is pretty much probably expired, because again, I used to get so many boxes for years, and you know, I haven't gotten that many beauty boxes recently, so I'm really excited to stock up, get new products to play with is my point. Sorry, I'll stop rambling. This might be perfect. Oh man, I'm so excited. So the first thing by Project Lip. I'm not sure if I've heard of them, but this is a plump and fill lip liner, and I can just tell by the color. I'm gonna love it. Oh my gosh, what color is it? Chase. Oh, I'm so excited. So I don't see like a sheet of paper with all the items on there with pricing. It just says this here. Usually there is a sheet like that. So I'm not going to be able to tell you the exact pricing. Okay, let me get this little sticker off. But you always get more value. I think you're supposed to get at least $100 value, if I'm remembering correctly. Man, I need more lip products. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm going to love this so much. This is so pretty. Man. Okay, I need a mirror. Maybe I'll just put a little bit of that on. Up close, you can like see my pores, sorry. It's a lip liner, but I feel like it's, you know, pretty thick. You can use it all over. I don't know. I love it. This is like the color I wanted today. Oh my god, so pretty. I think I like it. Yay. Let's keep going. Oh my god, I can use another one of these. A brow pencil. I'm so excited. I love when that works out. When you like, I'm like almost out of mine. Let's see. This is Physicians Formula. It looks like we have 2 Physicians Formula. The first thing I saw was the other item we'll get to that is made me go like, yay, because I like that product. Physicians Formula. I'm trying to look. What is the shade? Looks like it's a brown. So it has a spoolie on one end. Does it say taupe? Oh my god, that's the shade of what I have. But I have like the NYX one, maybe? I should know that. I think it's the NYX one. I definitely at least have their brow gel. Okay, I'm trying to swatch this for you guys. There it goes. At first I was like, wait, why can't I see it? But you can definitely see it. I think that'll be a good shade for me. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So far, all wins. I mean, of course I'll try it. I'll let you guys know in the future if you want how this works out. But I'm not like overly picky. I just like, you know, I just do it really lightly, even though maybe I don't do them the best. But hey, I can keep practicing and get better at it. Just have fun in the process. Next, my Physicians Formula, we have the Rose All Day Petal Glow. And this is a multi-use highlighter for skin perfecting glow. Look how pretty it looks. What shade is it? Oh, Rose All Day is the shade? Okay. That sounds good. Oh. Looks so pretty. Maybe I'll open it from the other end. There we go. Okay, can I already smell it? Does it smell like roses? They don't make this easy to get out of here. Okay. Oh, so it does come with that like little brush on the bottom. Oh, and a mirror if you want that. It does smell like roses. Isn't it pretty? Oh, that would be like a blush slash highlight for me. I could use that on my eyes too if it's a little dark on my skin tone. I was just thinking I need to get outside more and get some color. It's warming up here a little bit, so I'm going to walk tomorrow. But I think that's really pretty. It's the way it is like literally buttery when I put that on. I don't even know, do they call it butter? I don't remember what I was saying. Like it makes me think of their butter bronzer. It's just such a smooth, nice formula. I really like this. And then we have Beauty for Certain cream blusher. I love cream products. Oh my gosh, we could have like something to do like a whole face. I mean, of course you need like complexion products and stuff, but I love how we have all these different things. And we still have one more item that was outside the box, but here is our cream blusher, and it's the shades number 12. I love cream products. And you can blend it in so it's not, yeah, it looks like it's pretty blendable. I don't know why I want to smell it, but there's no smell. Yeah, it's pretty pigmented, but I feel like if you just keep rubbing, I'll just have to dab a little bit in my cheeks when I use it. Not like that. Because I am pale as F right now. Oh, okay, and now, is this Ace Beauté or whatever it is? Yes, it is. I could just like tell by the packaging a little bit. I don't know what the palette looks like, but this color is gorgeous. This is their Flare palette. The Flare palette features a collection of rich, beautiful colors that are sure to stir your creative juices. It consists of 15 colors that can be used to create a variety of looks. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. It looks the same. Got a big mirror. Ooh, okay, let me show you. These are bright and bold colors. Ooh, I always like mustard colors. Oh my god, look at this color here. I'll just show you up close. I'm not going to swatch all of them right now because I have to do something right after this and I don't have time to clean. I know they have such a nice formula and it's pigmented. God, that saffron shade. And the pumpkin. I like these shades. Oh my goodness. I like when palettes have like a light shade. I'm really light, like I keep saying, just to like kind of go all over my lid or for the crease. It looks like maybe mulberry for some of the looks, but it's like cooler. But I have so many palettes I can pull out other ones. This is really pretty. Oh my god, Atlanta. See, I just don't really usually wear these types of colors. Maybe I'll be adventurous. So there's potential this might go into a future giveaway for one of you guys, but it looks so pretty and I want to touch it. Oh my god, moss. Sure, just looking at it, I'm like, oh, it makes me like, just want to play. My inner child come out and just play with makeup and stuff. It's so cute. So we have mostly mattes and then we have 4 shimmers. And I like the mirror. There you guys are, hi. And my like one light. I know this ring light doesn't work. I need to contact the company. It's been a while, but I like was turning it on and it shocked me one day and stopped working. So that's why the lighting might not be the best. But you guys, wasn't that so good? That was so fun to open. I got items I know I will use and I am so excited about it. Like for sure my favorite is lip product. Oh my god, I'm like obsessed. And the brow pencil I'm super excited about. All of the things. And then next would be the blush. And then the eyeshadow palette. And then the highlight. But everything is awesome. I think this is a great beauty box. Let me know your thoughts down below. Again, of course, I link all the boxes I talk about, but Chic Beauty Box will be down in the description. If you want to go check it out for yourself. I also make playlists for all of the boxes I open, so check that out as well if you want to see past ones, if you missed those videos. But that's it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment if you wish. And thank you to Chic Beauty Box for sending this to me. Thank you for being here and watching this video. I'm truly so grateful for each and every one of you. I love you so much. Bye.